Here goes, we're off. So first stop is the memorial, or whatever you want to call it, to 0 degrees longitude. That's where we're starting this journey. So I could have done that one, but we'll do this one instead. I'm blessed with sunshine, and this is another lovely day to start. There it is. There it is. So do nicely. Okay, here we are again at the, oh look, oh, there's the distances. Any of that I'm going to? Oh, Singapore, here we go. 6,700 miles to Singapore. That's pretty cool. Here we are, we're starting our trip from this very point. This very point indeed. There's the sea this morning. Tide's well out. Stone Cold Steve's home just down there, but you're not going back yet. Not for a while. Not until you've done a bit of travelling with me. Feed Starlight Small. Ooh, yeah, that whatever that means, that feels right. 0 degrees, 0.093 west. So we're still a fraction west of WGS 84 datum. I'll be passing that any second. As I head off, it's now 6:30, and I'm going to make my way to the ferry, nice and gently. So this is night one in Courcy-le-Château, a little French village up on a hill with a beautiful castle, and I'm staying in a little logis hotel, kind of really French bistro, eating dinner in the garden, thinking, yeah, this is a good way to start the trip. And got here about 6 o'clock, which was great. The room's lovely, I might show you that later. And then I've got a few hours ride tomorrow. I'm going to try and get to the border of Germany, so I'll put a few kilometers in. But in the meantime, just having a lovely evening and a nice meal, and I've got a coffee to come.